If you know anybody who lives in Moay, tell them today to rush to the Rada. There's a farm fair there. We'll buy me star apple tree, you know what I mean? I'm gonna buy a nice cherry tree. I'm gonna get some things. I'm gonna get cane juice with lemon and stuff. This is the best day of my life. The star apple tree, so I love you. 2 years, I get star apple. Them say cherry tree. I'm gonna go buy. Them have all kind of mango. Them have the Julie and the East Indian, and them have some star fruit tree too. So, guys, tell your family in Moay to rush to the Rada fair. The fair is ending today, and there's a lot of trees here. A lot of people from Hanover who plant a lot of trees, and the trees are getting up in prices. They're getting very expensive, you know. So buy them now. This is like what, 1,500 for this, 15 for this. Cane juice was 2,500 for the whole thing, I saw. So deal with it.